what's going on, everyone? We're going to be playing some more QS Monkeyland today. We're going to be using the default skin. Because, I mean, I've had some fun with the drawn kind of stuff, but it's always nice going back to the roots, as they say. Call me Toby the way I'm doing this. Or I guess I'll be calling myself Toby. If you know what I mean. But yeah, we're playing pretty standard right now. I got some good stuff going. I already got a peach. I got some nice banana action. That was almost really bad. Alright, I could manage. Call me Jeff Bezos the way I'm managing everything right now. Could we get a peach right here? Potentially. There we go. Excuse me. It's almost back in allergy season, I'd say. Or at least I think so. That's how it feels, at least. Touch each other, please. We could, like, kind of nestle this guy up here. Kind of nestle this guy over here, maybe. We are putting the lime in jail, but I mean, sometimes you gotta put someone in jail for the greater good of the community. Maybe. If they're like a hazard to the public order or whatever. Do something like this. And we're already in Melon City. Not quite in Watermelon City, but a city is a city and a melon is a melon. Kind of. There goes something. Should I drop the blueberry on the limes? I don't think so. I think I'll just do something like this. And then now that that's happening, this can happen. Oh, no. This could be really bad. However, it could be really good. You gotta pick your battles. And believe you me, I am picking battles like nobody ever has before. Could get into Coconut City, and we did get into Coconut City. Otherwise known as, like, Honolulu, I guess. Right, that's a city in Hawaii, and Hawaii's got coconuts. So, like, logical conclusion should be it's Coconut City. Alright. Now I just need a banana. And once I get a banana, now I just need an orange. And once I get an orange, I should be in Pineapple Town. Yes. Alright, don't you worry. Now we're just going to keep that up. Keep up the energy. Pump up the jam, as the guy that made that song would say. I have no idea who he is. I don't even know if he made any other songs. I think if I don't know who he is, then he probably hasn't. Go somewhere like this, maybe? There we go. We could get an orange. Get another orange. I guess I'll do something like this or that. Don't move the orange over there, man. I created like an earthquake. Or fruitquake. That's what my grandma makes every Christmas. You know, drop it in the comments. What do you guys think of fruitcakes, like taste-wise? I think they're pretty good. I think fruitcakes fall into the camp of those foods that like people just say they don't like. When really most people are indifferent at worst and pleasantly surprised at best to get one. From my experience, at least. And I mean, I wouldn't know my experiences to be wrong, per se. Because that's just what I see with my two eyes. We're almost back in Melon City. Not quite. This apple is kind of messing with me. Only a little, though. Probably shouldn't have done that. Alright, so now we're really wedged in there. However, you do that, and you free the melon, for lack of a better word indeed. Or turn of phrase, I should say. There we are. I dropped it a little too late. However, we could get something going here. We're already at 1,500. Are you gonna move over like one way or probably not? However, I could get something like this going maybe. I got a peach, and I'm willing to let it be known that we got something going here. We absolutely do. Don't you worry about it in the slightest. Gonna do this maybe. There we go. Got ourselves a banana. Very close to an orange. We fused that guy, so that's something. Banana. Alright. Now I just need like something like this maybe. The lime falls in the wrong direction. Should almost be at 2,000 though. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna do this, and not quite. However, I thought I could weigh it down with the banana. I guess the banana's not dense enough. Alright, we might have plateaued. But just you wait. We need one orange. And we got ourselves the orange, so we're still in this. And we're past 2,000. Alright, another peach. Okay, wait, we actually got something going here. Now I just need those two pineapples to touch somehow. Feels like I'm trying to get blood from a stone here. But I mean, maybe it's a stone fish. And it's much easier to get blood from one of those. I mean, not quite, because they are, like, very toxic, but get blood from a stonefish and not die is a little hard, but it's still possible, as they say. We got ourselves an orange. We got ourselves an apple. We're comparing apples to oranges. It's like I'm Bart Simpson on the bus. Alright, now this is either gonna win or it's gonna kill me. It's gonna kill me. It was worth a shot. It was worth a shot. But I think I could go again. I think I could go again. Don't you worry. Got one more in me, coach. Coach. Coach, put me in, coach. I'm ready to drop fruit like it's nobody's business. Dropping it like it's hot. Dropping it like it's a hot apple turnover for hot fruit related things. Maybe I could have called back to the fruitcake convo topic, but I don't think so. Fruitcakes are usually room temperature, right? At least that's how I always ate them. Not too hot, not too cold. Call me Goldilocks. Actually, don't call me Goldilocks, please. That would be a little odd. And I like to consider myself a pretty normal guy. We're just normal men. We're just normal men. I still have no idea what that was from, but it was like some like dog puppet, I think. On like a British something or other. Maybe a news interview with the puppet. Maybe it's like one of those gags that they do when a new show comes out. Where it's like you see Elmo getting featured for the newest Sesame Street season. Did they do that, or am I just like imagining things? I know there was the Elmo on Tucker Carlson kind of thing, but that's all I want to talk about. That, because I'd rather not get political on the Let's Play. It's the last thing you want. We're gonna go somewhere over here. That's actually really good. I'll do this, maybe. And then I'll do that. Got ourselves an orange. Got ourselves an apple. Okay, I'll do this. And then now it looks like it's going to be a lot harder to deal with that orange. I put the orange in prison. Do this. Put the orange on the apple. It's like trying to draw apples from oranges. Okay. This is going a little worse. I will tell you that much. But don't worry, because I can get something going here, like a coconut. And then I think I gotta drop that one, because you saw the apple down there. If you're looking where I'm looking on the screen, which I hope you are. Hope you're paying attention to where I'm dropping these fruits. Not just looking at some random apple in the corner that hasn't seen action since 1982. Since like 2015 or so. Maybe both. Alright. I'll do something like this, maybe. This is a bit of an issue. I'm gonna get something like that going. Alright, we're almost at 1,000. Oh. Okay, we got something going here. We are cooking with gas, so to speak. If you will. If I may add. Okay, now we are, in fact, not cooking with gas, unless if I keep getting more and more big ticket items, this should... I'm close. I can smell it. And I got it. There it is. Just took a little bit of magic. But a little bit of magic does go a long way. Probably for most things, I'd imagine if you had magic it would be easier. If magic was like real, so to speak. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do this. Okay. This is kind of working, but there might be a few mistakes hidden in the mix. Unless if someone like me cares a whole awful lot, we are not gonna get past the dreaded 2000 benchmark. Okay. I don't know what's happening. I'm gonna say that right now. I have no idea what's happening, but it is kind of working out in the end. Maybe. I mean, we're at 1809. We're at 1822. All right. It's like we're getting held up in history class. Or something. Drop the orange right there. Okay. This time we're not going to do what we did last time. Last time we flew a little close to the sun. This time we're going to keep a respectable distance, and we will put on sunglasses. Don't you worry about that. We're at 1982 points. Okay, we cracked 2000. That's fine. 2 rounds over 2000 is perfectly fine by me for a recording session. I could fit you in there. No, I can't. I was apparently wrong. It takes a big man to admit when he's wrong. It takes a big pile of fruits to show a man that he's wrong. However, don't worry, because I am a pretty regular-sized man, so I'll still admit I was wrong, but I will make an excuse, so to speak. Okay, I think we're at max capacity. We are out of real estate. Unless if I do this and then I somehow find another orange. I found another orange and it worked. That's the thing. Okay, now I gotta find another banana. Or not. We are barely alive. But barely alive is just how I like it. Danger is my middle name, baby. Orange, please. We got ourselves to a watermelon. Doesn't mean I am the most dangerous man in the face of QS Monkey Land. Okay. Okay, wait just 1 second. This is kind of working. We could crack 3,000. I had no faith in this game at the beginning. I thought I was out of steam. I was just telling Coach to put me in so he doesn't bench me in the next one. However, now I think I'm on the starting roster from this absolutely insane nonsense play that I've been making. Okay, drop a lime. Okay, just you wait. We're gonna do that. And then, come on, I could easily, not easily, but I think right there I cracked 3,000. Now I'll do something like this. Maybe that was a mistake. No, it wasn't. Because now I get 2 oranges. I get a 3rd orange. Just keep giving me oranges, man. Oh, it's perfect. These plays are nonsense, but it's still working out in the end. Okay. Now we're gonna do this. Speaking of Harlem Globetrotters, recently I learned the Washington Generals actually won a game once. Somehow. I gotta do something like this. And apparently, according to the guy that scored the winning goal, the crowd reacted like he just killed Santa. And I just find that turn of phrase hilarious. Ah, shoot, we're dead. 34-23. I'll take it. I will see you guys on the next adventure. This was QS Monkeyland, King of Fruits.